TV 11. Ang jersey number 70, McClory Bass.
Only Pub Switch Fiber kontra
Ang jersey
Team
number 86,
Lebrong Tagalog
Cedric
Company.
Salonson. Ang jersey number 83, Sean Antason. Jersey number 90, Tim P. Collins. Jersey number 89, Ben Slovario. Jersey number 5, Justin Leon. Jersey number 60, Marvin Jodishon. Jersey number 82, Ivan Cuyong. Okay, once again, Team Alabama Sweet Fiber. Bigyan po natin ang palakpakan. Pinawala ng Team Sweet Fiber Alabama. And now, Team LeBron James and Company. First, Mr. Ham Time.
Switch Fiber Only Pub kontra Lebrong Tagalog.
Yun, nakita ko sa ito sa personal. Sa karangalan. Today, Hoops.
Jordan Clarkson Tagalog. Shoutout kay Boss Onaw.
Mr. Paulie 2.0.
Only 2.0.
And now, Killing TV.
Tatawagin na si Lebron Tagalog.
Magno MC. And now,
Lebron
from Lakers.
Lakers Company.
LeBron
Tagalog.
James.
Shoutout kay Idol Christian Masbad. Nandito na si Jordan Clarkson at si Lebron James. Magkakampi na sa Binangonan ng Plaza. Shoutout kay Boss Al Medina. Shoutout kay Sils Belster Andazo. Ayun. Team Lebron Tagalog kontra Only Pub Switch Fiber. Shoutout kay Ramil Ochoa. Mag-uumpisa na ang Team Lebron Tagalog Company kontra Only Pub Switch Fiber. Grabe, nandito na si Jordan Clarkson, Tolly. Nandito na sa Binangonan Plaza. Lebron Tagalog, Jordan Clarkson. Lebron na rin. Lebron ang galaw ba? Number 23, Lebron. Shoutout kay Idol Samoy. Dito na sa pinakawa ng plaza, si Lebron Tagalog at Jordan Jackson. Shoutout kay Idol Tech Arada ng SPL sa mga Team Papawis. Atid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber from Basketball Intercommercial. Switch Fiber, pag-switch ka na, available nationwide o Rizal area. Ayun, Team Lebron Tagalog kontra Only Pop Switch Fiber. Sino kaya ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayong Saturday night? Mainit ang aksyon ngayong live na live nga tayo sa Binangonan ng Plaza, June 21. Yan, atid sa inyo ni Boss Glenn Anore, Boss B-Boy Anore, Cap Kenny Anore. At sa bumubo ng Switch Fiber, mag-switch ka na, available nationwide o Rizal area. Ay mga idol, warm up pa lang yan. Mainit na at sa lubong ng Binangonan ng crowd dito sa Binangonan Plaza. Ayun, punong-puno nga tayo dito sa Binangonan Plaza. Live na live pati tayo. Ngayon, June 21. Ayun, nandito si Lebron Tagalog at Jordan Clarkson 2.0 Porley. Live na live yan dito sa Binangonan Plaza. Huwag niyong kalimutan i-follow si Wong TV. Ayun, bukas opening ng Barangay Batingan mga idol. Nagla-live rin tayo dyan. Kita Kids Bukan mga idol. Ayun, maganda ang shoutout kay Idol Thomas Amirol. Ay, magbabakbakan niya ang Lebron Team Company, Lebron Tagalog kontra Only Pop Switch Fiber. Shoutout kay Idol Albert Francisco. Ayan na, magbabakbakan na Lebron Tagalog Company kontra Only Pop Switch Fiber. Babakbakan na. Ayun, kanina panalo ang Running Gun Taytay kontra MY San. Talo. Final score 190. Pasok na ang MY San. Talo pala ang MY San. Ang makakarap ng Project Z ay Running Gun Taytay. Next Sunday yan mga idol. Lebron Company kontra Switch Fiber Only Pops. Magbabakbakan na. Shoutout kay Idol Ken Carl Wabes. Si Lebron Tagalog, number 23. Nandito na sa Binangonan Plaza.
Idol!
Lebron Tagalog! Dito lang yan sa Binangonan Plaza. Paunang tikim pa lang yan ng Team Lebron Tagalog Community kontra Switch Fiber Only Pop. Grabe, kuwang-kuwa yung mga pulbos na yun, mga idol.
Okay, once again, Team LeBron James and Company versus Only Switch Fiber.
makakatapat nila. Sila Jordan Clarkson, Pauli 2.0. Lebron Tagalog. First quarter, unang basket sa Ali Pop. Antaso, 2-0 score natin. Jordan Clarkson for the 3. Malamig pa si Clarkson. Stop and pop. No. Rebound number 7. Number 23. To number 0, Clarkson. Clarkson, they discarded. Clarkson, to number 69. Oh! Number 69, power move. No! Rebound number 7. Number 7. To number 21, spin move. Up the glass. No! Put back. Wala pa rin. Score natin 2-0. Antaso for the 3. No! Score natin 2-0. Favor of Anli Pops, Lebron Tagalog. Wala pass. Still. Lobarrio. Tumatakbo. Ang speech fiber. Anli Pops. Lobarrio. 15-footer. Lobarrio miss. Lebron to number 6 nila. Oh! Basket is good! Deadlock tayo all 2 in the first quarter. What a pass. Number 70. No! Oras natin 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Hindi pa nagpaparamdam si Lebron Tagalog in the first quarter. All 2. Number 70. Buantaso for the 3. Nilawa ng ring. Clarkson. Ayan na ba? Clarkson spin move. Clarkson to number 7. Basket is good. Still. Lobarrio. Basket. Deadlock tayo all 4 in the first quarter. 7 minutes and 12 seconds. To number 69. Number 69. Ali Rice to Lebron. Lebron Tagalog. Nakabutas na in the first quarter. Score natin 6-4. John Antaso. Basket is good. Clarkson puts up running shot. Clarkson, no. Antaso to number 86. Stop and pop. For the 3. No. Lobarrio. So Antaso for the 3. No. To number 86. What a step. Running shot off the glass. Score natin 8-6. Favor of switch fiber Ali Pop. Number 69. Oh! Reverse! No! Rebound number 0, 2.0. Clarkson to Lebron Tagalog. 69. Ali Rice. No! Put back. Shoutout kay Boss Omar. Para lumipad ang taso. Grabe pinapakita dito sa first quarter, 10-8. Ano ang gagawin ng team Lebron Tagalog? Lebron is a basket.
LeBron James.
Shoutout sa SBL Cup sa mga basketball na team Papawis. Number 86 to number 60. Running shot, niluwa yung ring. Put back, no. Deadlock tayo all 10 in the first quarter. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Rebound number 69 sa Andy Rice. Tumatakbo ang team Lebron. Number 69. Sinubulo dito ni Antaso. Still. Antaso. 3-on-1. John Antaso. What a pass.
Running pass from John Antaso.
Score natin 12-10. Favor of Switch Fiber Andy Bob. Number 21. Ano ang gagawin ng Team Lebron Tagalog? Clarkson 2.0. Clarkson, gandang depensa. Wala foul, may foul.
Okay, there's a result. Foul number. Okay, foul number 2. Okay, substitution.
Ayun, natin sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Available nationwide o Rizal area. Ayun, shoutout kay Boss Glenn Anore, Boss T-Boy Anore, Pop Kelly Anore. Ang Grand Basketball Intercommercial. Unang tira ni Clarkson, basket is good. Clarkson, 2 for 2. Deadlock tayo on 12. 4 minutes and 15 seconds in the first quarter. Ano ang gagawin ng Only Pops? Stop and pop! No! Clarkson to Lebron. Yan na ba? Clarkson to Lebron! Lebron James. Maka 4 points na si Lebron James in the first quarter. To number 82. To number 90. Score natin 14-12. Lamang ang Team Lebron. Number 5. Pull-up jumper, 15-footer. No. To number 21. To Bo Belga. Still. Oh, when it's a step. Lebron! Lebron James! Number 16 to Nisho. Running shot. Score natin 16-14. Dalawa ang kalamangan 2.0. Alley-oop. So number 21. Pinali po. 2 minutes and 55 seconds in the first quarter. Number 90. Stop and ball. Wow! Balik na sa kalamangan sa Switch Fiber. 17-16 in the first quarter. Lebron for the downtown. Lebron James. Balik sa kalamangan sa Lebron James. 3 points. 20-18. Lamang na ulit ang Switch Fiber number 7. 1 minute and 55. Clarkson. Oh! Clarkson! On the wall! Oh, this is good! Grabe naman yun, mga idol! Deadlock tayo! Shoutout kay Idol Joe Watson. Number 20, number 16 is good. 22, deadlock tayo in the first quarter. Clarkson to Lebron. Lebron
James.
24-22. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng Lebron Tagalog. Ivan for the 3. Rebound number 16 to number 19 for the 3. Bam! 25-24. Balik na. The Switch Fiber Only Pops. Lebron Tagalog for the 3. Air ball.
43 seconds.
42 seconds. 35 seconds. Alade, step back for the 3. Go.
Number
26-25. Air ball. 6 seconds in the first quarter. Clarkson off the glass. No.
Okay, end of the first quarter.
26-25.
Okay, pati na sa rito. Ang Lebron and company. Okay, this game is brought to you by
26-25, isa ang ibabaon ng Team Lebron kontra Switch Fiber Only Pops in the first quarter, 26-25. Second quarter na tayo mga idol. Yung kanina panalo ang Run and Gun Taytay kontra MY San. Ngayon nakapasok na nga ang Taytay Run and Gun. Makakarap nila ang Project Sale sa next Sunday. Under 25. Sa under 19 naman mga idol, Cola Spring Shop kontra Lucky Simon next Sunday. Shoutout kay Idol Jolo Puyot. Second quarter.
Second quarter.
Lauren Clarkson. Kupoli 2.0. No. Robarbio.
86. Cedric Somoza. Sean Tasso. Exam down.
Ah!
Sean Tasso is green.
Sa parking area, grabe naman yun. Son Antaso, 28-26. Only. Wait, manapas. Only, no. Number ready! Hindi lang nakakompleto. 28-26. Bo Belga, number 69. Oras natin, 9 minutes exactly. And the second quarter, 28-26. Atin sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Available nationwide o Rizal area. Hey, wala pass! No, niluwa na ring! Number 23, Lebron! Hey! Grabe naman yun! Buhay na buhay ang club nito! Sa Binacola Plaza! Deadlock all 28! Grabe yung jump na yun! Ni Lebron Tagalog siya nando! Clarkson to number 3. Aliyok. Walapig. Holy! No! Deadlock tayo on 28. 8 minutes inside. Basket is good. Score natin 30-28. Lamang na ulit ang Switch Fiber Only Pops kontra Team Lebron Tagalog Company. Clarkson. Ano gagawin dito? Wala pass. To number 0. Clarkson. Reverse. No. Number 86. To number 70. No. Basket is good. 32-28. Clarkson. Clarkson. Rebound number 88. Robarbio. 15-footer. Robarbio. No. To number 83. Antaso. May foul. Baka may injury ka. Idol. Siya ng Taso. Dahan-dahan. 32-28. Abante pa rin. Switch Fiber Only Pops kontra Team Lebron Company. Unang tira, Sean Antaso. Ayun, shoutout kay Coach Boss Jesse Antaso. Ayun, nanonood dito. Live na live dito sa Binangonan Plaza. 32-28. Number 21. That's the no. Put back. Sinasabi na rin kay number 21. 10 over sa Team Lebron Tagalog. 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Second quarter. 32-28. Abante. Ang switch fiber only pops ng apat. 32-28. Number 86, stop and pump. Quarter 3. No. To Lebron. 10 over. Sa Team Lebron Company. 32-28. Abante pa rin ng apat. Ang switch fiber only pops. Oras natin 6 minutes and 10 seconds. In the second quarter. I like it. San Antaso. We're downtown parking lot. Grabe naman yun. Nakakatatlong tres na yun. Si San Antaso. Lebron!
LeBron James!
35-30. Baba sa 5. Ang kalamangan ng switch fiber. Tumatakbo ang Team Lebron. Wait, wala. No! Number 70. Basket is good. 37-30. To number 23. LeBron!
LeBron James!
37-32. Baba sa 5. Ang taas sa 43. Bang! Grabe talaga yung kamay dito ni Sean Antaso. Lebron. Oh, nagawang!
LeBron James! Ay,
Babawi ba? Oh! Magdahan-dahan ito. Number 23. Alley-oop. To Lebron. To number 21. Basket is good. 40-36. Apat ang kalamangan ng switch fiber alley pops. 40-36 for the free. No. Tumatakbo ang Team Lebron Company. Basket is good. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 40-38. Baba sa 2. Ang kalamangan ng switch fiber. San Antaso, the parking lot. No. Holy 2.0. Holy. Number 3, stop and pop. Holy. Number 89, Romario. 42-38. Number 23, Lebron, coast to coast. Good. 42-40, baba sa 2. Number 70, good. Number 7 to number 23. What a come!
LeBron James!
44-42.
51 seconds. 42-44.
Lebron.
Lebron naman dito. No
still. 44-42. Dalawa ang kalamangan. The switch fiber. Antaso. Pang-apat na ba? Bang! Grabe yung kamay talaga. Mission ng Antaso. Babawi ka. Number 86. 47-42. Antaso. No. 2 minutes and 5 seconds in the second quarter. Number 7, what a pass. No, wala. Shoutout kay Michael Arago for the free. Bang! 50-44. Abante na ng switch fiber kontra Team Lebron Company. DJ Hooks. 1 minute and 30 seconds. And a second quarter, quarter 3, back-to-back pa. No. Rebound Coley 2.0 to number 23. LeBron.
LeBron James. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
1 minute and 13 seconds. Number 7.
Rebound by Kenny TV.
50-48. To LeBron. Stop and pop. For the three. No. Antaso. Sean Antaso. Coast to coast. No. 55 seconds. Number 3. Conley. 2.0. Dumulas yung bola. Number 86. Bam!
Cedric Salazar.
53-48. Number 3, Conley. No!
Number 3, Paulie outside. Paulie.
Good. 53-50.
25 seconds.
25 seconds. Number 70. Niluwa pa yun. Number 3, Conley. No! Number 7. 9 seconds. Yo, Barbio. No.
Okay, and the first stop. Our score, 52-53. Abante ng isa. Ang Alibab Switch Fiber.
Ayan, natin sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Available nationwide o Rizal area. Ayan, big shoutout kay Boss Glenn Anore, Boss J-Boy Anore, Cap Gili Anore, at sa bumubo ng Grand Basketball Commercial, Coach Ariel Balaja, Kuya Onyok Nicandro. Back to the ball game, third quarter, 53-52. Abante ng isang Switch Fiber Only Pops kontra Team LeBron Company.
Okay, balikan siya tayo. Buka magandang saguban ko. Number 7 and number 69.
Number 94, the three.
Big honest.
Big honors, no. Jordan Clarkson.
Jordan Clarkson. Points.
Nakabutas na si Jordan Clarkson. Number 5. Hey, wala pass. Pull up jumper. The big bow.
King Wallace. Rabbit inside. Larry Bass. Rabbit.
To number 5.
Just
Rebound Clarkson 2.0. To number 69. Bo Belga. Number 0, Clarkson. Coast to coast. To number 21. What a pass. 56. 53. Number 70. No. 8 minutes and 40. And the third quarter. Oh! What a move! Hindi nagamit yung Pectus. Number 5, stop and pop. Airball. $56-53. Ano ang gagawin dito ng Team LeBron Company? In the third quarter, one side step. No! Put back number 7 is good! Lamang na ang Team LeBron Company 58-53. Number 19. No! Number 5 to number 70. To number 19. To number 82 for the 3. Wala pa rin sa Switch Fiber, only Pops. Pull up jumper. Good.
Justin Leon.
58-55. Nakay Polly, 2.0. 7 minutes and 20. To Clarkson. Clarkson, number 0. Still.
Number 1 Leon, pass number 90.
To number 70.
It has
Down!
Corey Bus.
58-57. Isa na lang. Clarkson, running shot.
Okay, people tayo.
58-57. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Lebron Company. 6 minutes and 50 in the third quarter. Big Bo, nagbantayan in the third quarter. Number 17 for the free. Rebound number 3, Polly. To Belga. Number 69, Belga to Belga. Oh! 58-57, number 5.
Justin Leon. Time out. LeBron and company. Okay, time remaining at 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Our official score 59-58. Abante ng isa.
Official score.
Switch Fiber.
59-58, abante ng isang Switch Fiber. Balik na sa kalamangan sa Switch Fiber, only Pops. Kontra Team Lebron.
Balikan
59-58.
sa tayo. At 6 minutes and 19 seconds.
Abante ng isang Switch Fiber kontra Team Lebron Company. Basket is good. 60-59. Balik na sa kalamangan sa Team Lebron Company. 60-59. Tumatakbo ang Team Lebron. Number 7 goes to coast. Basket is good. Oras natin 5 minutes and 35. Number 17. Back to back jump yun ha. Grabe naman yun. Si number 17.
30 seconds.
Clarkson. Jordan Clarkson to number 7. What a pass. Reverse. Yo. Number 70 for the free. No hesitate. No. Still. Number 17 to number 5. Hindi na kompleto. Ang Switch Fiber Alibot. Clarkson coast to coast. Clarkson 2.0. Number 5. Wow! Deadlock tayo all 64. And the third quarter, 4 minutes and 20. Still, number 7.
Yellow TV, 6 seconds.
No. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. And the third quarter, stop and pop. Wow! 67-64. Balik na ulit sa Switch Fiber. Alipab sa kalamangan. Only wala pass. Number 7. Basket is good.
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
3 minutes and 35. Number 5. Number 90. 43. Wow! Sa Vega. Oh! Good! Grabe naman yung mga ikot na yun. Ng Team Lebron Tagalog, 70-68. Baba, sa dalawang kalamangan ng Switch Fiber. Tumatakbo ang Team Lebron Company. Still,
Siya ba rin ang yan?
2 minutes and 55. Number 70.
Wally Boys.
Oh, number 69. No. 72-68. Lamang pa rin ng switch fiber. Pull up jumper. No. Rebound. Clarkson 2.0. Clarkson number 0. Running shot. Number 69. Belka to Belka. Belka. Oh. Foul. Tinamaan sa mukha si Idol. The big ball nagkatamaan sa mukha. Shoutout kay Kobe Disenjo. 2 minutes and 9 seconds in the third quarter. 72-68. Tapo Belka. Bibigay ng 2 shot. Ayun, big shoutout muna sa switch fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Available nationwide o Rizal. Ay, oras natin, 2 minutes and 9 seconds in the third quarter. 72-68. Abante ng 4 ang switch fiber early Bucks kontra Team Lebron Company in the third quarter. Ayun, happy Saturday. Magandang gabi mga idol. Oras natin 2 minutes and 9 seconds. 72-68 in the third quarter. Team Lebron Company kontra Switch Fiber Only Bugs. 4 ang kalamangan ng Switch Fiber. No! Mendizan boat.
Okay, 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Number 89, Sean Antaso. Ang layo niyan. No! Rebound Clarkson. Clarkson, ano gagawin dito? Clarkson, oh! Clarkson! No! Only, 4 down! No!
Okay, pass me dito. May 6-2. Tingnan natin.
I like it! No! 1 minute and 20 seconds. Clarkson, stop and pop. Long to lang. No. 72-68. For the 3.
Cedric. Take it. Rebound number 3.
Rebound Poli. Still. Antaso for down.
Antaso. Take it.
Shoutout kay Carlos Compa. 49 seconds. And the third quarter. Poli. 2.0. Poli. Off the glass. Number 7. To number 5. Stop and pop for the 3. 29 seconds in the third quarter. 72-70. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng Switch Fiber Only Pops. Clarkson to go to number 7. Deadlock tayo. All 72.
Okay, 10 seconds. Deadlock tayo. All 72.
All 72. 5 seconds. 2. At the buzzer. And the third quarter, all 72. Hindi pa nagagamit sa Lebron Tagalog in the fourth quarter. Deadlock, all 72. Team Lebron Company kontra Switch Fiber Only Pops. Ayun, huwag niyong kalimutan, i-follow si Wong TV mga idol. Maraming salamat. Ayun, bukas live na live tayo sa Barangay Batingang Court. Grand opening mga idol. Pinangunahan ng Switch Fiber, mag-switch ka na. Available nationwide o Rizal area. Boss Glenn Anore, Boss G-Boy Anore, Cap Gili Anore. At sa bumubuo ng Grand Basketball Intercommercial, Boss Coach Ariel Balaja, Kuya Onyok Nicandro, Jordan Clarkson for the 3. Long to lang. LeBron, easy basket. Lamang na ang Team LeBron Company, 73-72 in the fourth quarter. 9 minutes and 41. Sean Antaso.
Sean Antaso. Ay,
75-73. Balik na. So Switch Fiber, Clarkson to LeBron. Wala pass to Clarkson. Still, number 7, what a zigzag is good. 77-75. Still, Clarkson to LeBron. Slam dunk. What a goal! To number 83, Antaso for the 3. No, rebound 2.0 only. Tumatakbo ang Clarkson to LeBron. LeBron to number 7. What a pass! Still, number 21 to LeBron to number 23. LeBron. Still, same ball. Oras natin, 8 minutes and 10 seconds. To number 7, wala pick, wala pass. Still, number 70. No. Rebound number 0. Clarkson, number 0. Clarkson, no. 81-75. For the 3. Put back. Antaso, pang-anim na test. LeBron, what a side step. Basket is good. 83-78. 5 ang kalamangan ng Team LeBron Company. John Antaso, basket is good. Number 23, LeBron! John Antaso, 83-80. The Belga for the 3. Belga, no. Number 70, what a pass! 83-82, isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team LeBron Company. So number 23 was LeBron James. 2.0. Number 86, 85-82. Still, Foley to LeBron. Good. 87-82. 5 ang kalamangan ng Team LeBron Company kontra Switch Fiber Only Pops. 87-82. Number 62, one zigzag is good. Shoutout kay Brian. Shoutout kay Idol Brian Urbizo. 87-84. Lamang pa rin dito ang Team LeBron Company kontra Only Pops. 5 minutes and 33 seconds. In the fourth quarter. 87-84. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Team Lebron Company. Kontra, Switch Fiber Alipap. Only 2.0. No. Lebron, putback. Antaso. Stop and pop. John Antaso, short. Iba number 70. Antaso, pampitong tres na ba? No. 89-84. Lima ang kalamangan ng Team Lebron. Number 21. Hey, what a pass. Forley. Oras natin 4 minutes and 25 seconds. And a fourth quarter. Na 89-84. Power move. 91-84. Nag-ahabol ang Switch Fiber Alipop. Number 86. Oh, ginugulo dito ni Jordan Clarkson. 2.0. Antaso, yan naman. Antaso for 3. Number 62. Unang bukol sa 3. No, number 70. Putback.
Number 70.
3 minutes and 40. And a final quarter, fourth quarter. 91-86. The Big Bow contra Big Bow. Number 86 to Big Bow. Number 89. Number 69. It's good. 93-86. The Big Bow. Big Bow. Number 17 to number 69. Tumatakbo ang Team Lebron. Showtime number 23! Oh!
James!
Sumabay ka ba? Huwag ka lang malikot. Ito yan sa Binuhan ng Plaza. Sabi ni Lebron Tagalog, sumabay ka ba? Huwag ka lang malikot. 95-86. Antaso, babawi ka. No. Tumatakbo ang Lebron Company. Number 21. Number 21. Power move. To Clarkson. Still. 95-86. Stop and backward at 3. Wala pa rin. The Switch Fiber Ali Pops. Rebound. Lebron Tagalog. Number 21. Power move, side step to Forley. Forley, pull up jumper, favorite shot. Forley, 2.0 still. Still, number 86 to number 86. Easy basket. 97-86. 11 ang kalamangan ng Team Lebron Company. 1 minute and 35. Forley for down. No. Number 86. Easy basket. 97-88. Clarkson 2.0 to Forley. Wala pass. Ginawa ng ring.
62, team natin.
Antaso. It's good. 1 minute and 7 seconds. And a fourth quarter. 97-92. The Big Bow. What is it said? 55 seconds. 99-92. Lamang pa rin ang Team Lebron Company. 45 seconds. Still, 99-94. Antaso, stop and pop.
Antaso, 43,
Putback.
TV 11.
99-96.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Only to Clarkson.
95 seconds.
Antaso, no. Number 86.
Cedric Salazar.
99-98. 15 seconds. 99-98. Isa lang ang kalamakan ng Team Lebron, number 69. The Big Bow. The Big Bow reverse score! Siya ng kaso at the buzzer. Yung panalo. Lebron Company kontra Switch Fiber. Final score 101-98.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood dito sa Pinoy Linares Plaza. Okay, laro ito hatid sa inyo ng Grind Basketball at ng Switch Fiber.
Yung final score 101-98. Panalo ang Lebron Company kontra Switch Fiber Only Pops. Eh, nagandito na lang sa bumubuo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. At Inter Commercial Grand Basketball. Ayun, final score 101-98. Panalo ang Lebron Company kontra Switch Fiber Only Pops. Ay mga idol, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat. Thanks for watching Grand Basketball Intercommercial. Switch Fiber, Wong TV. Huwag niyo kalimutan mga idol.